Okay, we are back out here in Aurora, and the F16 is lined up on the end of the runway. We're preparing for our flight after repair from the crash landing we had a few weeks ago. We're going to put our flaperons in the takeoff position. We're going to do a full control surface test. Everything looks good. We're going to march our way back to the takeoff area. And while we're doing that, we're going to talk about the conditions. It's a little bit chilly. It's about 50 degrees out here. We got some fog over the field. We're flying at sunset, so everything in the eastern sky is going to be a challenge because I'll be flying with the sun in my eyes, but we're going to do our best to keep her high above the sun and mostly in the western sky. That all being said, engine is armed, and we are go for takeoff. And we are in the air, flaps are up. We're getting some speed and altitude. And F16 lives again. Okay, I think that's enough for a first flight after a repair. So let's go ahead and get our landing gear down. All three gear have extended. And get a little bit of throttle for this last turn to base. And then we come out of the turn. Well, we kind of missed that one, so let's go ahead and prepare for a go around. There we go. And we're gonna go way down, give ourselves a little bit of room on this go around, on this final turn to base. That's a little bit better. And as we come out of this turn, we drop our throttle, drop our flaps to landing. Oh, we're really floating a little bit, so let's get our flaps back up and do another go around. How about that? So on this attempt, I'm going to not use landing flaps. I'm going to use takeoff flaps to bring her in because it's getting really floaty and it's really hard to maneuver with those landing flaps down. So we're going to get a lot of altitude, get some throttle for this last turn to base again. Come out of the turn, drop the landing flaps, back her all the way back down to idle. We're still coming in really hot. So we're gonna do another go around. Okay, now we're we're getting critical on battery. So this one has to be it. So this turn to base, we're going to not have as much altitude. There we go. Now, because now my battery life is about nil. That's about as close as we can take it. Let's turn her around and bring her back home. Welcome back home, Mr. Bray.